Today I'm gonna be trying everything from Jollibee. First up, we got their spicy chicken. The chicken is seasoned all the way to the bone. Aloha chicken sandwich. Pineapple gives the overall sandwich a more refreshing taste to it. Their new Angus Deluxe burger. Classic cheeseburger. The bun is a lot fluffier than the chicken sandwich. This one's the Pancit Palabok. Last time I had this, y'all said I had to mix it well. It's got egg in it. Meats. I believe it's shrimp paste. Arguably better than the spaghetti. They also got some chicken tenders. Honestly, just stick with their spicy chicken. Gonna add some beef patty to the adobo rice. That's a solid combo. For the dessert, we got a peach mango pie and ube.